Can you get out?
We are going to play tennis together, and I am planning to win today, but we don't know yet.
That's the plan, but
that's
it's not going to happen.
Yeah.
It's not going to happen.
I mean, usually you win me, so win. You win me, you win overall. I don't ever win.
I just had an ice cream. That means I'm going to win.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, we played badminton, and none of us won because we just played really badly.
I played really well. I played perfectly.
No.
Yes.
No, and then I gave up when I couldn't serve for the third time. And we played badminton, and we played badminton really badly as well. I tried really hard.
I played perfectly though. I don't know about you.
So, hi guys, I'm gonna do 3 pull-ups. Stay tuned. Actually that was chin-ups, but I don't care. I don't care that much. I can do pull-ups, but I'm not good at pull-ups. I'm good at chin-ups. Hi guys, we're laying down in the sun. It's great outside, beautiful. Sometimes. Okay, train. Do I look okay?
Yeah.
There's no train yet. I'm train spotting.
Vicky, get down. Get down, Vicky.
Okay. Okay. Whee!
Happy.
We're gonna eat a shawarma and fries. And I haven't had a shawarma since I was in Ukraine in 2021. That's 4 years ago. So happy.
That was a bit dramatic.
Yeah. Ow. Why did you hit me? You hit me again. My lower back.
Her upper back.
Hi guys. How are you doing? I'm doing very good. I'm on a swing. It's beautiful. And it's my birthday tomorrow. And we're going to the water park.
Birthday girl.
Birthday girl. Yeah.
Birthday swing.
I'll be 20 years old, which is kind of crazy. But I'm okay. He's very thirsty. Yeah. Are you thirsty?
Not really.
No.
A little bit maybe.
It's okay. You have water.
That's why I have water.
Can I have water? Please? Yeah.
Family refresh stop.
Yeah. We're a family. Me, Eddie, and Benny. Hi guys, we're on the hill. Okay guys, we are going to the water park. Eddie's eating a croissant and yeah, doing cool. It's my birthday today. I have a new top. Look at that. So cool. And Eddie got it me. So yeah. So I'm home now after the water park. It was really good. I love water parks. And today I went to a very scary slide where, I don't know if you've seen, but you stand like this, they lock you as if in a coffin, they lock you and the floor underneath you just drops and you just go. And I went to that one I went twice. It was scary, it's very fast, but I loved it. It's kind of cool. So yeah, I really enjoyed the water park. I love water parks, much more than roller coasters and all of that jazz. Anyway, I'm home now, and as you can tell, I'm going on a cycle. And a cycle to Shrewsbury. So yeah, I feel amazing when I cycle. I love cycling so much. Cycling is like the best thing ever. And I always catch the zen when I cycle. So guys, heading out to Shrewsbury. It's about 22 kilometers from here. And then 22 kilometers back, and if you round it up, it's going to be about 50 kilometers. So yeah, I plan to go quite fast today because, you know, but I'll be recording as well, so it'll be more interesting to look after. So yeah. So, it's a bit windy, but it's okay. It doesn't stop me, though my watch has stopped for some reason. Continuing, yes we are. Beautiful. Something I love about spring and summertime is that I can spend so much time outside cycling, just like this. And nobody's around me, you know, other than some cars that pass by. Other than that, there's nobody, and it's just me, myself and I. I catch the zen, you know, I think about life. I think about the fact that I'm no longer 19 years old, now 20. Wow, I see something beautiful. Right, I've come across a beautiful field. So, I've nearly arrived in Shrewsbury. The cycle was very good, very enjoyable. Though the worst part is actually going back, because going back is actually mostly, well, I wouldn't say mostly, but there are some uphill bits. Because just now I went downhill, obviously. But yeah, my plan is I'm gonna go to the loo, then I'm gonna sit down, rest, honestly, for like 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna go back. So I've decided to stop for a little bit of a rest. I'm just on a random field and I'm not too sure if I'm allowed to be here, but it's okay. Anyway, I have about I think like 30 minutes until I get home, and I've been cycling quite fast, which I'm very happy about. And yeah, I love cycling so much, especially during the summertime. And crazily, it's not summertime yet, it's spring. But, you know, it's also my birthday today. I'm so happy. Had a good day today, and I'm very happy. Tomorrow I'm going to have a lovely day today. I'm going to university. I'm going to uni very early in the morning because I have deadlines soon, and I have 3, and I haven't been working. Well, I have been working towards my assessments. It's just I can be doing more and I'm not yet doing more. So, which is why sometimes I go to uni very early in the morning just to do some work. And it actually works quite well because I actually come to uni and, you know, at 6 in the morning until 9, 3 hours I do work. So it's quite good. So yeah, I'm doing pretty good. And I hope you're doing good as well. I'm going to carry on with my cycle, and I'm probably going to finish my vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you continue watching my vlogs. Stay tuned. And yeah, take care.